Hello everybody, this is Brandon with Kriete Truck Center in Tomahawk. Coming today with this 2025 MACK MD6. This is a non-CDL truck. It is equipped with a 300 horsepower Cummins 6.7 liter. It's backed with an Allison 2500 RDS transmission, 6-speed. Has a 90-gallon fuel tank. It's a 270-inch wheelbase truck with Meritor front and rear axles. Rear axle is 19,000 pounds. Steer is 10. This truck does have the chrome package with the chrome front bumper and grille. It also has cloth interior, driver's seat, air ride, passenger bench. This does have diff lock, cruise control, and exhaust brake. We have 5 of these yellow trucks in stock. We also have over 30 other medium duty CDL and non-CDL trucks. Check them out at KrieteTrucks.com. If you have any questions on this truck or any other, give me a call at 715-498-9340. Thank you and have a great day.